Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So today we're going to tackle my desk area. About a year ago I did a remake of my studio space and I'm still very happy with it, but the desk area is annoying me a bit. It's always full, it's always cluttered, and I think I can organize it better. So as you can see, I have my computer on there on the stand, I have my printer on here, and yeah, just a basic mess. And I always sit here to edit videos, to look at orders. It's about time that I organize this area. So what I'm going to do is hang a shelf on the wall on which I can put my printer, so I can open up some space on my desk. And I will be painting my desk white. It's now a wooden board which has no finish on it whatsoever, so everything that stains on there is a stain that I can never get out again. So I want to paint it so I can clean it better. And also I think the white will make sure it's a nice and calm space for me to work in. So let's get started. So the desk is white and I put up the shelf, so I'm ready to do some styling now. Put everything back on here that I want on here. Yeah, hopefully with everything on it, it will look nice. This nice thing that I can put pens and punch needles and so on in. Cool with the white. So I used to have a light on the side of my desk, but yeah, I have the shelf now, so I have to see where I'm going to put this one. Thinking here, so that I think that would be good. I have here in the wall, so I feel like I have to put something in front of it. I have this basket, but I want to keep it here. So I was thinking I have this set of markers. I could just put it here and the basket next to it like this. And I think that looks much better. So for now, I think I'm going to keep it like this. I just want to keep it very empty and usable, so I don't have a lot around me when I'm working. I have my plant, I have my lamp, I have paper and a printer, which is on Wi-Fi, so I don't need a cable there. That's great. I do need a cable. Yeah, this is also on Wi-Fi, but it still needs power, so I will need a cable there as well, unfortunately. But for now, I'm pretty happy, guys. I think the white looks really great. And I want to expand my gallery wall. I want to put some things here as well, and maybe even go up higher, because the ceiling is quite high. But that's for another time. For now, I'm super happy with it. And yeah, I'm also going to have to get some kind of bins, which I will put here for all the things I have to throw away. But I'm very curious to know, what do you think, guys? So guys, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I love the white. I love how the colors pop. I love having color. So you can see here how these colors just really pop out now, and I'm really happy with that. So I think it's about time that I do a studio tour for you guys and show you my tiny, tiny studio. But I think I will do that in about 2 weeks or so. Next week I want to do a tutorial video, so if you want to see that, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. I really appreciate it because it helps me with the algorithm and grow my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.